I just would like to share with you my thoughts around how to apply the defining outcomes course materials to a single individual contributor product manager's life, let's say, and would be happy to discuss it with you on one of the product meetings if you are open to it. Let me share quickly my screen. So I created this Miro board here. I'm going to link it in the description of this video for you to find it easily. But the basic idea is that in a stage or group in my case, the same. We have various product categories, and by product category, we could actually write up our ARR, which is nicely today the North Star metric for the company as well. So if we focus on these, then we actually focus on something closer to the company goals as well. And I try to break it down into this basic idea of the price times quantity. But we don't manage the price, so I leave it out most of the time. What we have is one type of ARR driver is the existing category users, where we have the number of seats that gives the category, the quantity, and we have the tier that the arrow shows our preference for it, so that where we want them to upsell. And then we can have new users, and there are two different types of new users. There are totally new logos, and there are existing GitLab.com users who previously were not using this specific category. And again, they start in a given pricing tier. And finally, we have the churning users who churn from a specific category, and they might just churn to a lower tier, or they might abandon GitLab altogether. I added some comments as well, but I don't remember what they are. Yeah, that some of these might, in the old logos, this might not be new MRR or ARR for the company itself, as they are just starting to use this specific product category. At the same time, this is new value generated inside of this category. And again, just to be clear, what I call users here are actually organizations. So it's not it's stage per organization related approach, not stages per user related approach. And I think that this is just great to have even this very simple model, because it really relates to the annual recurring revenue, and that's the company North Star metric. And even though if we add up these across all the categories, we would have duplicates all around. But if we would focus on these, it might be easier to align ourselves with company goals and see really our impact on the company success, and come up with theories of growth for this success, even outside the growth theme. I didn't want to get into that because the theories part, because that's category specific for sure. But if you would be interested, I would be more than happy to discuss this very simple model with you, and even its relationship to the current stage monthly active user based approach we have, and see if you want to change anything around this. One thing that I see clearly from this one is that it would be just so nice to have this data available at the click of a button in Periscope or somewhere, where I could just say, okay, give me my product category ARR, and actually show me it by existing users, new users, and churning users for the past month, so that I have this data at hand and I can optimize around these. That would be really great. Thanks for watching. That was that I wanted to share, and please provide feedback or let's organize discussion at the product meeting.